The screen on your MyBot Recruit is one of the most powerful features of the robot. And to control it or code it, you'll simply go into the display menu. Now this is available in both basic and intermediate mode. From the display menu, you have a few different options, including setting a color, an emoji or image, a face, or even text, but text is only in intermediate mode. In order to then use these, you can select by clicking on the drop-down menus to pick whatever image or color or text you would like, and then you have to choose how long it goes. So in intermediate mode, you're going to have a time menu where you can choose how many seconds. In basic mode, under the control menu, you have this little hourglass that you can use to control how many seconds. Now to adjust the length of time, simply adjust the value in the gray box. Once you're happy with your program, you can save it and then click the play button to run. The screen on your Recruit will then go through whatever you have asked it to do. Now the exciting thing about this is back in intermediate mode, you can even show what your sensors are reading right on the screen. So I've created a code here that will display the R, G, and B values of the color sensor. Now the color sensor is under my robot, so I'm just gonna put this piece of red paper under it. And what I've done here is use the display text function, and then I went into the text menu to adjust it with all sorts of things, create text with, and went into the sensors menu to select sensor values. Once I've done that, I again use the same time commands and created a code that will now show the values on my screen. When I click play, it shows the face I asked for first, and then you can see R values at 255, G is 44, and B is 36. So there you go. That is just a few of the ways you can use and program the screen on your MyBot Recruit.